Today I will teach how to do a replace face. So I have some imported geometry, and you can watch how to import and export this geometry through previous video. But in this video, I'm going to show how to do a replace face. So let's go over here to this replace face button, click on that, and we're going to choose our face to replace. So let's say we wanted to get rid of these deep recesses in this part. So first face to replace is this guy, and face to replace with would be this guy right here. And let's hit OK, and we see that face totally disappeared. So that's an easy way to use replace face. Let's go through a second instance of replace face. Click on replace face. Faces to replace. Let's choose this face. Replace with the center, and it's going to pull that face through there. And that is replace face. Thanks for watching.